Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to talk about your 9th grade ELA Author's Purpose project. We are going to be working on a project workshop today. We're going to be specifically focusing on our Article 1, which is to entertain. Expectations as far as our checklist to accomplish today when working on our to entertain article is that we should organize and plot our first article. This article should be to entertain, which means that we need to follow the directions in our Author's Purpose project directions and rubric video. Your article needs an introduction and conclusion. You need to use evidence from the short stories to support your first article. So remember, the short stories that you have to choose from are The Landlady, The Most Dangerous Game, and The Cask of Amontillado. Make the article and pictures visually appealing. So these are the different things that we need to accomplish today in completing our first article for our project. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.